What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one son. Yes, I have one son.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in London. I live in London.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers. Yes, I have two brothers.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Blue. Blue.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
English and French. English and French.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m. At 7 a.m.
Do you work every day? Do you work every day?
No, only on weekdays. No, only on weekdays.
What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast. Usually eggs and toast.
Do you take the bus to work? Do you take the bus to work?
No, I drive. No, I drive.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 p.m. Around 10 p.m.
Do you exercise daily? Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I jog every morning. Yes, I jog every morning.
Do you cook dinner? Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes, yes.
Do you watch TV at night? Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, for an hour. Yes, for an hour.
Do you use social media? Do you use social media?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I relax and go out with friends. I relax and go out with friends.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't. No, I can't.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
Reading books. Reading books.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, especially football. Yes, especially football.
What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
I watch movies. I watch movies.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, very well. Yes, very well.
Do you like painting? Do you like painting?
Yes, it's relaxing. Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you dance? Do you dance?
Only at parties. Only at parties.
Have you ever gone hiking? Have you ever gone hiking?
Yes, many times. Yes, many times.
Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Pizza. Pizza.
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
Not really. Not really.
Can you cook well? Can you cook well?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea. I prefer tea.
What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you usually eat for lunch?
A sandwich or salad. A sandwich or salad.
Do you eat fast food? Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you like desserts? Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially ice cream. Yes, especially ice cream.
What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit?
Mango. Mango.
Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk?
Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning.
Are you vegetarian? Are you vegetarian?
No, I eat meat. No, I eat meat.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
A little bit. A little bit.
Is it raining? Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella. Yes, take an umbrella.
Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Sure. Sure.
Are you busy now? Are you busy now?
Yes, but I'll call later. Yes, but I'll call later.
Is she at home? Is she at home?
No, she's at work. No, she's at work.
Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Of course. Of course.
Is this your phone? Is this your phone?
No, it's his. No, it's his.
Are we late? Are we late?
No, we're early. No, we're early.
Can I come in? Can I come in?
Yes, please. Yes, please.